I put this? I moved into my apartment in January. It's August and my aesthetic is pretty much minimalist meets lazy penny pinching adult. So let's jump into this video, which is pretty much just me picking adult furniture for the very first time. Bear with me on this transition into adulthood. First, I wanted to give a brief overview of what we have to work with. This is my current bedroom. As you enter into this room, it's pretty spacious with a his and her closet. It is one giant square/rectangle, and it has a good amount of lighting coming in from this side window. Some see dull hospital room. I see unlimited creative potential. There's really nowhere to go but up from here. So first things first, we need to go shopping. After 2 weeks of checking Facebook Marketplace as often as TikTok, these are the furniture pieces I found. First is this hefty mirror, which I got for $30. It's wood, sturdy, and the next project will be to determine how to successfully nail this on the wall. Bonus points if it's only slightly crooked. I went with a black frame, and most of the pieces that I got are actually either dark wood or metal. Next, I couldn't decide between a desk or ladder decor, so I found this amazing combination of both. It's not as bulky as a desk, it's perfect for my Mac, and there's room at the top for shelving. It also came with this wooden chair that tucks neatly below, and I got it for $100. Okay, why is one nightstand the cost of a pair of Apple headphones? The world will never know, but these nightstands were originally listed for $250, and it took me 5 days to get the seller to agree to sell them for $200. So they came out to $100 each, but I am so happy with them. The metal and wood combo is great, and really they're in pristine condition. And last but not least, I am finally upgrading from sleeping on the floor like a prison mate. This is a Zionist metal bed frame, which I got for $85, and I'll talk more about the bed frame in just a second. Now, I think some people have the misconception that a modern and simple bedroom is boring. And to tell you the truth, I can't completely deny that, but I find such beauty in a very simple but well-organized space. And you know, me personally, I'm not very big on owning a lot of stuff. I used to move so much as a kid. Fun fact, I've moved more than 10 times in my life. So I'm just not very big on objects. Fewer, more meaningful objects mean the most to me. And all of that was to segue into the justification for this bed frame. Not only is it simple and practical, but it's perfect for sitting or lounging and cat friendly. I got it for half the price, and this bed is the easiest thing I've ever assembled. Screw you IKEA and your million-step instructions. What I really love about this bed frame is that it does not have a headboard, and no, that has nothing to do with any activities that may be going on such bed. A wise person once said, "Those that can't do, teach themselves through TikTok." I have never successfully managed to hang up a mirror. It either stays on the floor forever or falls in cracks due to my insane number of command hooks that I use to try and stick it to the wall. But this isn't about my failed attempts to hang a mirror. This time, ladies and gentlemen, now I am an adult and I have the power of TikTok on my side. So someone that is a lot wiser than me when it comes to home decor recommended these right here, this brand, OOK. It holds up to 100 pounds. Okay, I could have got the 25 pounds. I could have got the 50 pounds, but I got the 100-pound nails. It has 3 different screws on it. These are also super renter friendly and really easy to patch afterwards. So you pretty much just use this piece of tape so that you can align exactly where you want to go and hang it up on your wall. Also, use this bubble thing. Seriously, does anyone know what the name of it is? Try to map it out as best as you can. So this will just help you to map out exactly where you want the mirror to be. It's a much better strategy than just holding your thumb out and using your eyeball and hoping that it aligns. And I guarantee you will have a 100% sturdy mirror that will never fall.
I'll be honest with you, one of the reasons I put off this bedroom makeover for so long is because I have a traumatic fear of failure. When I was a kid, I used to get cute sticker packs and journals and never use them and just keep them intact because I was so scared to mess them up. I don't describe myself as really creative as far as the arts are concerned, so this was a pretty big step. I realized that the only way to get better at something is to try and do it. One thing that has really helped me so far is Pinterest and finding photos that really inspire me. I know the style that I want is modern and simplistic, and that really fits in with the aesthetic of this apartment in general. It is already very modern with neutral colors all around. So it's pretty simple. Modern, aesthetic, monochrome. So one thing that I need to fix in this bedroom is this squeaky door. So imagine this for 6 months. This right here is the culprit. I bought some WD-40 and now it's time to oil this up so there's officially no squeaks. Yes, yes.
The color of this lamp will absolutely shock you. Just kidding. I knew I wanted a white lamp to go on top of the black nightstands. I got these for $69 from IKEA. I love the bottom of this lamp. It's like a textured concrete, and the lampshade has a linen, like woven style. It just looks so sleek, and like I said, the white really matches on top of the black nightstand. Next is this smaller decor. This is a tiny, thick horse that I'm absolutely obsessed with. It fits nicely on top of the desk. Fall is just around the corner, and this fall scent smells so delicious. Got it for $7.99. I got this stack of books to look like an intellectual and blazed this candle on top. Next, we have your interesting vase and fake plant combo. You can never go wrong with a fake plant, and by you, I mean me. I really wish I had more of a green thumb. Jacob said if I got the horse, he was going to get this monkey, so it's going beside his bedside. Yeah, I couldn't decide between a clock or a globe, but tell me, can a globe do this? Yeah, I don't think so, so I went with the clock. I forgot to mention my bedding. I have a down comforter and duvet set from Casa Luna, and I highly recommend. It feels so soft and fluffy. Then these are the unnecessary but necessary decor pillows. It is actually encouraging me to do my bed in the morning. Also, I got this woven knit blanket for the end of the bed. Next, I also have this air purifier, which is super handy and necessary when you have 2 cats like me. Now it is time for the final reveal. This is how the entire bedroom came together. What we started off with was a completely blank canvas with only a bed and some white sheets on top. I got the duvet, nice fluffy decor pillows, and a knit blanket to go on the end. The side tables are the perfect height, and I love that I have one on each side, just like something from a magazine. I added a little bit of decor and books to the lamps. Then I will say that this desk/ladder shelving combo really just brought this whole side together. It is simple, sleek, functional, and allows me to show off a bit of my personality with the small items that I got to choose that go on top of it. I have the mirror hanging up on the wall. I also have a Google Home, and these Philips Hue light bulbs are just the best. It also helps to add different colors to the room at nighttime to make it way more exciting. Y'all, that is pretty much the end of my room tour. I really hope that you enjoyed it as much as I liked creating it. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I really hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see my full apartment tour coming soon.